This property is a 4-bedroom, 4 full baths home. The list price has recently been reduced to $1,895,000. Interior features of this property include an open floor plan, wood flooring, a recreation or bonus room, a formal living room, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a finished basement, built-in bookshelves, a heat pump, a tray ceiling, crown molding, French doors, a family room, a library, a sauna, recessed lighting, a kitchen island, and skylight. On the outside, this property features a corner lot, a detached garage, a water view, a patio, waterfront access, a boat slip, an irrigation system, a brick exterior finish, and riverfront location. Community amenities include a community clubhouse and boat facilities.